As the countywide chair of your Board of Commissioners, I want to assure you that the health and safety of everyone in our community is our top priority. And right now, protecting the public from the further spread of COVID-19 is what it's all about. Following the guidelines of public health officials is what we can all do to protect ourselves, our families, friends, and our community. That's why I'm doing my part by canceling the annual State of the County address and canceling the first of our 4 town hall meetings. Both of these events have the potential of involving a lot of people. But why are public health officials asking us to cancel large gatherings at this point? The answer has to do with the overall public health strategy of reducing the amount of illness and its impact on our healthcare system. Public health officials call this strategy flattening the curve. In any major outbreak of a communicable disease, there are people who will begin to feel ill. Some so seriously that they'll need to go to the hospital. Without exercising protective measures that are appropriate to each new disease, the number of ill people in our hospitals and clinics would climb and climb. At a certain point, there would be so many patients in our hospitals that we would overwhelm our region's overall healthcare capacity. This is not guesswork. We've seen this story play out over and over again during outbreaks in our not-too-distant past, with H1N1 and in other regions and parts of the world. The strategy our public health officials are following with COVID-19 is all about preserving the capacity of our healthcare system for those most vulnerable to disease. We know now that 2 parts of our community are susceptible to serious illness: those who are over 60 or those with an underlying health condition. The rest of us may experience symptoms like that of a mild to bad cold, but we will likely recover without the need for hospitalization or other resource-intensive forms of care. If we listen to our public health officials and follow these protective measures, we have the chance of flattening the curve and saving the healthcare system for those most vulnerable to this new disease. Knowing this, our public health officials are asking all of us to take protective measures specific to preventing the spread of COVID-19. Turns out, these measures help with preventing the spread of the flu and many other diseases too. Wash your hands well and often. Cough and sneeze into your sleeve or a tissue. And please, stay home if you are sick. So this is why I've canceled the annual State of the County presentation and the first of our town hall meetings for now. Other county meetings and events are being canceled or reorganized as virtual meetings through the internet or over the phone. We plan to have more information for you soon on the Washington County webpage about when these events will be rescheduled. Guidance and recommendations about COVID-19 are changing every day, sometimes minute to minute, based on new information we are learning. Stay up to date by visiting the websites and social media feeds for Washington County Health and Human Services, Oregon Health Authority, and the CDC. If you have general questions about COVID-19, please call 211. Thank you for doing your part to reduce the spread of this new disease.